Setting up edge blending on your Appotronics projector is easy with the remote control. Let's start for seamless visual. First, confirm your projectors and video wall controller are connected. Then press the remote menu key. Jump to the geometric correction, ensures all projection frames are perfectly aligned. Next, enter into edge blending. Locate the picture split option and set it to on. This activates the screen split mode. Set picture split method to 1 row to columns according to your dual projector arrangement. Then configure the picture position for each individual projector accordingly. Now let's adjust the picture border to set the overlapping area for edge blending. Using the number keys 2, 4, 6, 8 on your remote to select which border you want to adjust. Once you select a border, use the arrow keys to move it inward or outward, so that the projected images overlap based on the actual layout and requirements of your display. After setting all borders and creating seamless visual, you can go the overlapping area with pressing number 0 on remote. Selecting border by pressing number keys on remote first, then adjusting the overlap width and edge softness to eliminate any visible seams by using arrow keys. Once all adjustments are done, exit the menu and check the final display. The two projections should blend seamlessly, with no obvious split lines. You've completed the edge blending setup. For more technical guides, visit our official website.